Before we jump in, make sure you subscribe right now, check the links in the description for the best current deals, and drop a comment with your experience or questions. Let's get into it. If you've ever spent your entire Saturday trying to blast grime off your driveway or caked mud off your car, only to end up with weak pressure, tangled hoses, or a machine that overheats halfway through the job, you know how frustrating it is to pick the wrong pressure washer. Today, I'm breaking down 5 of the best electric pressure washers so you can choose the right one the first time and avoid wasting your money. Starting at number 5, the Greenworks Compact Electric Pressure Washer. This is a lightweight electric unit designed for smaller jobs around the house and garage. It delivers solid cleaning power for its size, typically around the 1600 psi range, with about 1.2 gallons per minute of water flow. It runs on a standard 120 Vi outlet, so there's no need for gas, oil, or complicated setup. The unit features a compact upright design with a built-in handle for portability, an onboard detergent tank for soap application, and quick connect nozzles so you can swap spray patterns easily. It comes with a high-pressure hose, spray gun, and wand, and the overall footprint is small enough to store on a shelf in your garage without taking up much space. In real-world use, this is a great entry-level pressure washer for car washing, patio furniture, bikes, and light driveway cleaning. If you live in an apartment or have limited storage, this compact design is a big advantage. It's simple, plug-and-play, and much quieter than gas models. For automotive detailing, it's more than capable of safely removing dirt and road grime without being overly aggressive on paint. It's not meant for heavy-duty concrete restoration, but for routine maintenance and weekend cleaning, it gets the job done reliably. The only downside is that it may feel underpowered for large, deeply stained surfaces, but for the price and size, it's a very solid buy. At number 4, we have the CRAFTSMAN Electric Pressure Washer. This unit steps up the power and build quality, delivering around 1700 to 1900 psi with approximately 1.2 gallons per minute, depending on the model. It features a durable frame with integrated storage for the hose, cord, and nozzles, which helps keep your setup organized. You get multiple quick connect nozzle tips for different spray angles, a soap applicator bottle, and a sturdy spray wand. It runs on a standard household outlet and is designed with a stable base to reduce tipping during use. From an automotive perspective, this is where things start to feel more serious. CRAFTSMAN has a strong reputation for reliable tools, and this washer reflects that. It delivers enough pressure to handle dirty trucks, muddy wheel wells, and oil-stained garage floors without feeling overly aggressive. I like it for homeowners who want a balance between power and affordability. It's still easy to maneuver and doesn't demand the maintenance that gas units do. For most people who want a dependable all-rounder, this is a smart upgrade from basic compact models. The only minor drawback is that the hose length could be longer for larger driveways. But overall, it's a dependable performer. Coming in at number 3, the Greenworks 2000 PSI 1.2 GPM Pressure Washer. Now we're entering the sweet spot for serious home automotive and exterior cleaning. This model delivers a strong 2000 psi and 1.2 gallons per minute, which translates into noticeably more cleaning force. It features a robust frame with large wheels for easier mobility, a longer high-pressure hose, and multiple quick connect nozzle tips for precision control. You also get a soap tank for detergent application and a reliable electric motor designed for consistent performance. In practical use, this is where you start seeing professional-level results at home. That 2000 psi rating makes a difference when you're tackling heavily stained concrete, caked-on mud from off-road driving, or thick buildup around your garage. It's still safe for car paint when used with the right nozzle and distance, but it has the muscle to handle bigger tasks. For DIY car enthusiasts who wash multiple vehicles or maintain larger properties, this model offers excellent value. It feels powerful without being overkill, and it maintains steady output throughout longer cleaning sessions. The only drawback is that it's slightly bulkier than entry models, but that added size comes with real performance gains. At number 2, we have the Westinghouse EPX3100 Electric Pressure Washer. This one stands out with a unique compact, low-profile design that delivers impressive cleaning performance, rated up to 2100 psi with around 1.76 gallons per minute of maximum water flow. It features a pro-style steel wand, multiple quick-connect nozzles, an onboard detergent tank, and an anti-tipping design thanks to its horizontal layout and four-wheel base. It also includes a longer hose and quick-connect fittings for easy setup. What I really like about the EPX3100 is how much power it packs into a surprisingly compact frame. The horizontal design makes it more stable than many upright units, which is great when you're moving around vehicles or tight spaces in a garage. For detailing cars, SUVs, and even light trucks, it delivers strong, consistent pressure that makes rinsing foam and grime quick and efficient. It also handles driveways and fences with confidence. This is an excellent choice for buyers who want near-professional performance in a compact electric package. The only small downside is that the hose management could be a bit more refined, but performance-wise, it's impressive. Finally, at number 1, the Westinghouse WPX2300E electric pressure washer. This is the most powerful unit on today's list, rated up to 2300 psi, with a strong water flow output that gives it serious cleaning capability. It features a durable steel frame, large, never-flat wheels for easy mobility, a long, high-pressure hose, multiple quick-connect nozzles, and an onboard soap tank for detergent use. It's built to handle larger cleaning tasks while still running on a standard household electrical connection. In real-world automotive use, this is the one I'd recommend if you want maximum electric power without stepping into gas territory. It blasts away thick mud, heavy road salt, and stubborn driveway stains with authority. For truck owners, off-roaders, or anyone maintaining a large property, this machine feels confident and strong. The higher PSI and robust build quality give it a premium feel, and it's capable of tackling both delicate car washing and tougher exterior restoration work. It's powerful, durable, and built for serious cleaning sessions. The only trade-off is that it's larger and heavier than compact units, but that's expected at this performance level. So here's the bottom line. If you want something compact and budget-friendly for light car washing, the Greenworks Compact is a smart starting point. If you want a dependable step up, the CRAFTSMAN is a balanced choice. The Greenworks 2000 PSI model is perfect for serious home users who want strong performance without going overboard. The Westinghouse EPX3100 offers near-professional power in a stable, compact design. And if you want the strongest electric option here, the Westinghouse WPX2300E takes the top spot for raw performance and durability. No matter which one fits your needs, these are all solid picks that deliver real value. Make sure you check the links in the description for the best current deals, subscribe for more honest automotive gear reviews, and let me know in the comments which one you're considering or already own. I'll see you in the next review.